everyone, and welcome to another episode of Shed Science. Today, we don't have an experiment so much, but I am wanting to tell you. That's good grammar. I just wanted to tell you about something I find really interesting, and that is what makes a face. In my current predicament, trapped as I am as a cartoon, I've been thinking quite a lot about faces, because a cartoon face comes in many, many forms. You can have Simpsons faces, you can have South Park faces, you can have Rick and Morty faces. There are so many different types of faces out there. But what actually makes a face? What is a face? There's been loads of experiments over the years about what makes a face, and the people who are really good at doing this and really good at looking at for this are babies. Yeah, babies are great for looking at faces because it's one of the earliest things we learn to do. A newborn baby can recognize a face before it can recognize other things. It turns out humans are just ridiculously good at recognizing faces. We are really, really, really clever at finding out if something is a face or not a face. Like, it seems really obvious, but if I said to you, is this a face? And I showed you a picture of a face, you'd go, yeah, that's a face. That it's a really understated but powerful ability that we have. In fact, it's taken years for computers to get as good as humans at recognizing faces. There's something called pattern recognition, being able to find words or numbers or sounds within something. We're really, really good at it. Computers have to be coded specifically to do it, and often they don't do it particularly well. Why do you think we need to do those I am not a robot tests, where you do a captcha or say if something is a number or not? We're very good at working out if something has a pattern. It's called apophenia, being able to find a pattern, to find order out of chaos. And we use that power to recognize a face. And when I say we're really good at working out what a face is, we are really good at working out what a face is. We are more likely to remember someone's face than we are likely to remember their job, how we know them, even their name. There was a study by someone called LeChang in, I think, 2014, where they worked out that only 200 neurons, 200 nerve cells are needed to recognize a face. Let's put that in perspective. Your brain is made out of 100 billion neurons. 100 billion. 1,000,000,000,000,000,000. I think. It's staggeringly a huge number of neurons in your brain that do all of your thinking, and you need only 200. I mean, that's what the scientists found out. It's a staggeringly small number. It turns out you don't actually need all of this bump. You don't need to have ears and noses, etc. Well, to make this easier, I've got a face here, as you can see, but let's simplify it down, because obviously you don't need to have, like, a beard and other things to make a face, so let's simplify it down. I've got my magic wand. Magic. Ah, yeah, okay, right, so really simple face. This is a very simple face. It has eyes, a nose, ears, a mouth. Your brain can use things like a nose or ears to work out if it's looking at a face, but it doesn't need them. Let's simplify my face even further. Magic. You might recognize this as an emoji. Emojis are really, really simple cartoon faces. All you need for an emoji is, a circle and then 2 eyes and a mouth. To work out if your brain is looking at a face, it just needs 2 eyes and a nose. Actually, an emoji is far more complicated than it needs to be. Before emojis, there were emoticons. Oh yes, back in the old days of the internet. Magic. Emoticons were the bee's knees, and that's so much more simple than an emoji, and it is actually all you need to recognize a face. This is all you need. You need 2 dots and a mouth, and they've done studies where they've looked at newborn children, and newborn children will recognize 2 dots and a dot below it as 2 eyes and a mouth. It will recognize it as a face and stare at it and try to respond to it. Because at a really basic level, that's what a face is. Which means your brain is super good at seeing 2 dots and a dot below it and thinking it's a face, which is why we tend to see faces that aren't even there. It's a phenomenon called pareidolia, which is a fantastic word in and of itself. Pareidolia is when you see a face that isn't there. You're looking at something that isn't a face, and your brain goes, hey, that looks like a face over there. And we're really, really good at it, and it's quite common to do. So, I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to give you a few examples of pareidolia. I'm going to show you some pictures of things that are a face and things that aren't a face, and I want you to work out which is which. Okay, pareidolia test. Pareidolia quiz. Face or no face? that's definitely a face. Scary face. No, wait, it's a shark. Oh, look at the happy little... Definitely a face. That's a face. What? No, really? Okay, right. Definitely a face. No, wait a minute. Face. No, inanimate object. Yeah. Oh, the face. Definitely a face. Yes, definitely a face. He's shocked. Oh, it's a face. Oh, no, it's not a face. Oh, definitely a face. That's a face. I believe that to be a face. Oh, definitely a face. Definitely a face. No, can't see one there. Nope, that's not a. Hang about. Wait a minute. Oh, sneaky, sneaky! Look at this little face that's popping out at us. There it is. There's the face. I knew I saw a face. No, not a face. No, not a. Oh, yeah. Oh no, that got me. That got me. Chicken face. Definitely a chicken face. Yeah, that's a chicken face. All right. No. Oh, loads of faces. Oh my god! Look at all those people. Look. Oh, they're not. They're not people. Wah! No. Oh, face. Okay, who knew? Oh, sleepy little baby face. Oh no, it's not a really face. Okay, that's quite interesting. Ah! Oh, no face. No, not a face. Oh, not a face. No. Oh no. Okay, I thought so. It's a face. That's a face, isn't it? Oh, is it not? Oh. Well, wow, what a roller coaster emotion that was. That was pretty impressive, wasn't it? I'm just gonna go back to the emoji face because I feel I haven't used it enough. Magic. So, pareidolia, our ability to recognize a face even when there is no face to be looking at. It's one of our superpowers as humans. Next week, in Shed Science, we are going to do an experiment, and I've got something that you could do at home. We are going to defy gravity. We're going to be defying gravity, just like that witch. I'll be defying gravity. So we're going to build something that defies gravity, and it's something that you can do at home if you want to have a go at it. In the meantime, stay safe, be awesome. Thank you very much for watching.